Well, good morning. It's the second to last day here we have in North Dakota. We found this little slough that had a good amount of puddle ducks on it last night. So, it's a little foggy this morning. It's cold, so I'm hoping they trickle in here this morning. Hopefully it's a pretty good shoot. Left. Get ready. Reload, reload, reload. Ducks everywhere. Sit. See this one right here? Shoot him, boys. Shoot him. Shoot him.
Good shots.
All right, it's in the rocks. We'll get it later. Reload, reload. Nice, nice. Reload. Got it. What we got? Oh, yeah. Ringneck hen came over the top and we landed them in the field. We got one pintail and 4 teal out here that we've gotten so far. And it's still pretty early. This fog is hurting us a little bit, but we got 6 so far this morning, so should be good. All right, it's been a pretty good morning here so far. Clyde's going to get our ducks. We got mostly teal, got a hen shoveler, ringnecks, and then that might be a pintail, but I'm not sure. We shot it when it was pretty dark. But we're just start collecting ducks, but they're still flying fairly good. So we might give it another hour or so and see if anything else starts flying. We're running just a couple, I think like 18 decoys, 1 mojo, just sitting in this tall grass along the bank. They haven't been able to see us. It's been foggy this morning, but it just broke, so hopefully a couple more start flying. Good boy, Clyde. Shoot him. I can hit something. Good boy. All right, Clyde's bringing back this duck. Yep, Drake pintail. It's our first pintail of the trip. Can I see it? Give. Good boy. Nice pintail. Doesn't have a sprig yet, but pretty colors. Shoot that thing. Watch it, watch it.
I redeemed myself.
Watch it. Go, Clyde, go. Give. Good dog. I just brought back the last of the ducks out there. This big group of specks flying over. Hopefully we can find where they're going later. But sun just came up. We'll probably sit it out a little bit longer. So we'll see. Good boy, Clyde. What do you got? Oh, Pen Gadwall. All right, this is the last duck. Striped green wing. Clyde had to go get it. It sailed to the other side of the pond, so that's next number 8. We got mostly teal, striped pintail, and shoveler and ringneck, but morning's not over. All right, this makes duck number 9. We were standing here, not even covered at all, and Andrew dropped this one.
With the Dove King.
Good boy, Clyde. Oh, prize hen spoonie. All right, we ended up with 9 this morning. It was pretty chilly. There was a bigger roost like about 500 yards away. They trickled from, now they're feeding in the cornfields. So we ended up with 9. Pintails, teal, a couple shovelers. One fell off right there. But all in all, it was a great time. We're gonna try to hunt this afternoon, then we got tomorrow morning, and then we have to head all the way back to North Carolina. See ya.